Hey, so I want to show you about the chatter function on SHURI. This is not yet a thing that we're going to ask everyone to run all their communications on or anything near that, but it is something that's quite fun when you're working in the thing and you want to point people to different things or to have a discussion on stuff. So what I'm going to show you is you can arrange it as I've shown you in uh, a previous video. You can arrange it for the tab to be up here. Otherwise, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to say chatter. And then there are what I follow, things that people have sent to me, things that I've bookmarked, stuff like that. You can set up a group. So I've set up elution guidelines, and then some other things, thought leader group, my supervision group, we've all got different things there. So you can say, I'll just show you the elution guidelines because I think you're all on there. So basically, manage members is here. And oh, of course, while I'm recording, it doesn't want to do anything. But so you'll see here, Colleen logged something yesterday. So here are the members because, of course, as soon as I walk away from it. So all of us, they put little faces in when you can. I can show you how to do that. All the people with actual Salesforce accounts, I'm just sorting out money to get some more for Zenzile and others. All the people with staff accounts are on this group. So here, Colleen said we read Luke 10. She put things in, and I can just say, hooray! So glad you logged this here, Colleen. I am sending a message as I am doing a screen record so that people can see how this works. So that is like Facebook. It's just going to reply to Colleen's post here. I can then say I want to actually share a post here, and I can say, hey, at Craig, because Craig won't be, I am just showing people how chatter works and recording as I go. Actually, I don't want to do that in the elution guidelines, so let's not do that. But you'll see there that I said at, and then it says you can notify anyone who's a user. You can attach a file. You can put in a picture. You can make your message look as pretty as you want to. So this is chatter. You can start a group yourself. Let's call it the SHURI how to chatter group. How's that? We'll start a group for people to post queries or post queries for when they are working on SHURI. Okay, here I'm not going to put any information for now. I'm the owner of this group. I can also make somebody else. The access type I'm going to make completely public, but you can also have a private group. Our customers and broadcast only. What's really great about this is that you can actually have as many of your SILs or anything like that on a chatter group if you wanted to. It does send straight to their email, so you can actually create a forum for people to log online, to see questions, to respond, to comment, to whatever. That really doesn't have to happen at all, but it can. I'm going to put, where's my SHURI sign? So here we are. Oh, no, it wants to, here we are. No. Okay, so I'm going to take that off, and I'm just going to put a warehouse SHURI logo. because it likes the different the layout better. Okay, so here's a users group. I'm going to add everyone who is a staff member because you all are learning how to use SHURI. No, sorry, I actually meant this to be a very, very quick thing, but here we are. All right, so there we are, and it's a SHURI how to thing. How about I do a poll and I say, have you been able to find the video that this poll was set up on? And then choice 1, yes. Choice 2, no. Okay, I'm going to add a new choice. What the heck are you talking about? Okay, so now you will actually be able to, so I'm going to ask this question. I'm about to send these things out. Then people will answer or comment, share, or whatever. But it sort of goes like Facebook. Okay, so that's a quick group. I mean, a quick video on that. You'll see on your homepage that we now have Chatter. I only have I've said which things I would like to follow on my homepage. Otherwise, I have to go through to Chatter to see what's going on here. Yeah, so I can also bookmark this group somewhere, people. I can bookmark it, which means that I then will, when people tag me or something like that, I will be able to do it. I'm really just learning how to do this. The more we use it, the more we'll figure out what can happen. But I just want to quickly show you quickly here. Did you know that you can tag any record? Let's just make that on SHURI. All you do is type a backslash and then start writing out. So here is my expense claim for March. Like, it starts giving me all my recent things. I'm going to say SJLA, first year's listening and discernment. It's something you saw me put in. So that's an encounter that I did. And then I will add the key interaction I showed you, which is Sarah Nell. There we are. Just start typing her name, and there it comes. And I can also draw your attention to an expense claim for or budgeted for budgeted expense for thought leaders. So then I just start going thought leaders, cluster budget. There we are. Okay, so basically you do a backslash, and then if you want to tag a person, you can tag I'm just going to tag myself. I don't know if it will. Okay, so I can tag a group and I can tag myself. Okay. So you can start seeing how that can be really helpful if you're wanting to share multiple records, or if you're wanting to ask me, Wendy, I'm having trouble with this record. Can you go in and see it? You can just, yeah. So I'm just going to share that. This should come through to your email, because at the moment what we're trying to do is to have everything at least going through to people's emails so that you can get used to logging on to SHURI and finding these things, but you're not going to miss anything out if you haven't logged on to SHURI. So there we are. That's how Chatter works.